Good morning, pre-calculus. Welcome back. Well, it's morning for me. Who knows what time it is for you? It may be 3 in the morning. I know how you guys are. Welcome back to section 3.5. We're going to work on some big problems that have lots of the properties all in one problem. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to condense it. In other words, we've got a really long problem with lots of logs in it. We want to condense it down into one log if possible. All right, so when we're doing this, the first thing you want to do is kind of think of your PEMDAS, where you deal with your exponents first. So I'm going to deal with anything that's a power property first. Power properties, remember, look like those numbers out in front that we turn into exponents um, when we're condensing it down. So this would be log of 6 squared minus log of 9. And now when we've got the minus sign between them, remember we turn that into a fraction. 6 squared would be 36 over 9. That's our quotient property. And then we can go ahead and simplify that. That would be log of 4 because 36 divided by 9 is 4. All right, on number 20, let's deal with our exponents first. This would be log base 4 of a squared plus log base 4 of b squared. Oh, Miss Harris, that's not right. That's not a squared. Gives me another shot of making a prettier a. There we go. That's actually a to the 4th power. Sorry about that. Log base a to the 4th plus log base 4 of b squared. And then since we're adding them, what do we do with those arguments? We multiply them. So this is product property where we multiply them. So we have a to the 4th b squared as our argument. All right, 21. Let's deal with our exponents first. So log base 4 of u to the 7th minus log base 4, oh, this is fun, b squared cubed. So we got exponent rules inside of our log problem. I love it. All right, so let's go ahead and deal with those exponents first. U to the 7th minus log base 4 of, what do we do if we raise a power to a higher power? That's right, we multiply those exponents. 2 times 3 would be 6. All right, because we are subtracting these logs, which property we're going to use to make it into one log? That's right, the quotient property. We're going to just divide these guys. So I have u to the 7th minus v to the 6th. All right, number 22. Well, this one doesn't have any exponents up front. I don't see any coefficients out in front of my log, so we don't have any exponents, so no product property. But then we do have addition and subtraction, and it doesn't matter which order you go in here. So let's start by combining the first two. This would be log base 2 of 15 times 4, which would be 60, minus log base 2 of 6. And now we've got a subtraction between these two, so we've got the quotient rule, and we're going to write those two as a fraction. 60 divided by 6 would be log base 2 of 10. Now, I said order didn't matter. Let's go check and see if I'm right. Let's see what happens if we do the subtraction first. So we're going to focus on this one first. We'll leave log base 2, 15 alone. And we're going to add to that log base 2 of 4 divided by 6. Well, this guy would be 2/3 when it reduces down. So this becomes log base 2. We've got the product property here of 15 times, again, 4 over 6 reduces down to 2 over 3. 3 goes into 15 5 times, and then 5 times 2 gives me that log base 2 of 10. Now, did order matter? No. But did one way give us one that didn't have fractions? Yes. So, if you've got fraction phobia, one way might be nicer for you than the other, but order does not matter. All right. That'll be it for this video. We'll come back. We'll do 23 through 26 in the next video.